everybody. I've had some teachers ask me about how I'm getting this little screen in the bottom right hand corner and sharing my screen with you. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So you're going to start by going to google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account, and you're going to go to the Google Chrome store. When you click on the Google Chrome store, you're going to type in Screencastify. Screencastify is an awesome program. Saves tons of videos that you can give to your students or to people that you want to share your screen with. So click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. You're going to wait for a second while it is downloading to your Google Chrome page. Now you can see it in the top right corner, like all of these little buttons. That's my Google Classroom, my Google Drive. All of these are extensions that you can add on to your Google Chrome web browser. So the last one you can see is Screencastify. So we just uploaded that. If I click on it, it's going to ask you to log in to your Google account. So I'm going to sign in with Google. And the reason it's asking you that is because it's going to save all of these videos that you make onto your Google Drive, which is awesome. So we're going to log in with our Google account. Click Allow, because it's saying, can I access your Google Drive? Am I allowed to save videos there for you? So you want to say yes. It's going to ask you to sense a camera and a microphone, so you will need a webcam or a microphone. If you have a MacBook, they're already in there, so you're good. Click Allow. Click Allow again. Say if you're an educator or student, other. So I'm an educator. Introduce yourself. Looks like you're done. And then you're ready to get started. So anytime that you want to make a screencast, all you're going to do is hit this top button in the top right. And then when you want to get started, you're going to say whether or not you want to include your microphone, so you want people to hear you. Do you want to include your webcam, so you want people to see you? If you do, you want to click this button. I'm not going to click it right now because I'm already making a screencast, so it'll be a video inside a video, screencast inception, so we don't want to do that. But as soon as you do that, you can click the record button, and it'll record your screen and you talking. When you click this button down here that says stop sharing, then it's going to stop the video and it's going to show you what your screencast looked like. So you can edit it, you can download it if you like it, and then use it for your classroom or for work if you want to show someone your screen.